Where's Kungaloosh? I don't have Kungaloosh in here, anywhere on the tree. Well, if that didn't give it away, obviously, I'm at Epcot today, guys, and this is the Festival of the Holidays. It is just myself. I am sans Alicia today, my partner, cohort in crime, my co-host in life, basically. But what I am here for today is to experience the cookie trail that they have. Well, I think the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to start there in Canada and then turn around and go the opposite direction and go all the way around the World Showcase of the other places, because the very last location is the World Showplace, which is, weirdly enough, next to Canada or next to the UK. You know, if I'm gonna go to Epcot, I gotta do at least one ride. So I'm gonna go do one of my favorites. Mexico. Sorry, I'm not gonna pronounce it like a substitute Spanish teacher. Mexico. It is so lovely and beautiful here. Plus, I love this view that we have of the restaurant has of us. So that makes me ask, what is your favorite restaurant here at Epcot? San Anil, this place. I like it. I think there's better. It's probably in the mid-range for me. What would be my favorite? Ooh, that'd be a hard one to answer. There's so many good ones. I mean, I love Rose and Crown. I love Tokyo Dining. I love Tepanito. Not Nine Dragons. Not a big fan of Nine Dragons. But go ahead, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite restaurant? So it's a really windy and cool day here at Epcot. When you're standing in the sun, it feels nice. I actually have to roll up my sleeves, otherwise I'll get too hot. So I'm in line for the Shanghai eatery here at China. Looked like a couple of things I wanted to try. This wind is really kicking. But the next cookie location is right next door, or a little further on, over at Germany. Hey, there's the friendship boats. They're running. You know, one of the benefits of going to a park owned by yourself is you get to go at your own pace. You don't have to like go through a committee of people. You just, if you want to do something, you do something. Yeah, the downside is I've been doing it with Alicia for so long that I'm actually really lonely right now. But that was the point behind today. Just go out and do myself. Just go out and have fun by myself. And in this situation, I'm going to eat foods that she would never try. Because Epcot is a constant festival, and there's food all the time. I decided while I was in China to go ahead and get the cheesy wontons, and this is what I was talking about. This is chicken, curry, and rice. This I know Alicia wouldn't touch in a million miles because she don't do spice, but I do. I really don't know how some vloggers do this with the camera pointing up in the sky, but you know, let's go ahead and give it a shot. See what we get with this chicken and curry dish. Alright, here we go. Oh, that is very good. That is very, very good. I like that very much. Oh, Alicia doesn't know what she's missing. Aside from burn. There is burn. It is hot. It is very spicy. Now, just leaving Germany, what I got was an apple cider, and these, I got 2 Lint Cookies. Now you see 4 cookies here, obviously. So I decided to be a nice guy and get a couple to bring home to Alicia. Just put them in a bag and hope for the best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the Lint Cookie here, which looks like a regular cookie with some jam cut in between the top one. And yeah, that's powdered sugar there. And this other one we got from Canada way back at the beginning. That is a Peppermint Swirl cookie. I'm not too big on peppermint, but let's try them both. Alright, the tricky thing is the middle of the day, so the sun's in my face regardless, and it's windy as crazy. So let's start with our apple cider. I like that, that's good. Nice and sweet, as it should be. Peppermint Swirl. If you like peppermint, this is really good. Otherwise, wow, that's not for me. I think Alicia's getting a whole 2 cookies. Hat's about to blow away. I feel like I'm going to taste that for a week. Alright, so now the Lindle Cookie. That's a lot better. I like the jam in the middle. It's literally falling apart in my hand, but it's good. Very powdery too. This is the chocolate crinkle cookie. Looks pretty good. Tastes really good. Wow. This is Shipyard Eggnog White Porter. I like eggnog, but as a beer, I don't know. It's terrible. Oh, man. Ugh. Exactly. Here's the list of the cookies that they're offering this year. So there's the Linzer, which I've already had, the chocolate crinkle, the black and white, which is right here. This looks like a simple sugar cookie with chocolate and vanilla frosting or icing, probably. Then they still have, I still have the gingerbread cookie and the peppermint pinwheel we've already seen. I got that from Canada. Then afterwards, it's the complimentary, another peppermint cookie. Alicia might get that one as well, because I'm not crazy about the peppermint. But also, here is the pastrami. That looks pretty dang good to me. Oh, look at that. That's a thing of beauty right there. But every time you get a cookie, you get a little stamp indicating which one you've gotten. I like the black and white one. It's pretty basic, half black and white. So I got one more to go, and then the complimentary. Here is the pastrami. Ooh, I like the pickle. I want to get that in there, actually. Oh man, look at that. This sucker is thick. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's seriously good. Oh, that makes up for the bad beer I had earlier. Now the black and white cookie, which is just a sugar cookie with frosting on it. It's probably that basic. Yeah, it is. Nothing crazy about it. It's good. I'd leave this out for Santa. I thought it was funny.
Welcome to the Taste of Epcot International Festival of the Holidays. My name is Carol. Hi.
Hi, Carol.
I'm your Christmas Carol.
Oh, jeez. All right, I'm nearly full. But this gingerbread cookie. I like gingerbread if it's done right. I've heard good, I've heard bad. I don't know, I'm willing to find out for myself. And here's the fifth one. Gingerbread. One for me, one for Alicia. You know what this cookie is saying? You need to subscribe before he eats me. Not bad. That's pretty good. For gingerbread. It's a little dry, but other than that, it's pretty good. That gingerbread cookie was pretty damn good. But it sounds like there's a cavalcade coming as soon as I come out. Let's check it out.
Happy Christmas to you all. Happy birthday. You like this at home? Happy Christmas.
I was wrong. Yukon here is where I got that first Peppermint Swirl cookie. I thought I was supposed to turn in the stamps to the World Showplace. Apparently not. I need to go somewhere this direction. I don't know exactly where. I need to ask somebody. All right, here we go. The holiday sweets and treats. That's where I'm supposed to turn it in. That's it. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here it is. This is the payoff. What we walked around Epcot all day for. The mini peppermint cookie. I can tell you, I'm not even going to try this. Because if it's anything like the other peppermint, I'm just not going to dig it. I hope Alicia likes it, because I got her too. Guys, I want to thank you for joining me for this cookie hunt. And you know what? We're not done. It's 2020. This is the last trip I have to Disney. I'm going on Spaceship Earth. Yeah, I'll admit the ride is outdated. It needs a lot of work. But it's Spaceship Earth, man. I love the mouse trap game behind the sofa. I always wonder how many people actually notice that. Does that kid move? I'm just wondering. I don't think he moves. She bobs her head a little. Mom and Dad turn their heads. Kid on the ground, nothing.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say...
Hey, the mouse came through. I'm both of them. Oh my god, I'm twins.
Getting away at
Hey, Me, where do you want to go? I don't know, Me.
Won't have to worry about
What about Fluffy, our dog?
thanks to handy household robots.
Of course, there's no fence around the edge of that house.
We'll give you options for hotels and restaurants along the way.
Ooh, yeah, let's go to the China Inn.
Getting there is half the fun. So your family car will
You know, I think it's kind of funny that I went to Epcot by myself. And on Spaceship Earth, I'm going around the world with myself.
travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine.
And we're going into space. You know, I just remembered there's one more thing that I've never done before. And since we're about 15 minutes from sundown, yeah, I'm that excited. 15 minutes from sundown. And there's a nighttime Christmas overlay that's worth seeing. The Christmas overlay for Living with the Land is supposed to be something really remarkable to see at night. Or it's almost nightfall. I'm going to give it a few more minutes. So this is unique. You get to sit at the very front row of the first boat with no tarp in front of me. That actually I can't remember that happening ever? Sure it has, but no memory of it. Once we get into the greenhouse, the decorations will really pop. Hopefully the sun's down enough and the lights are on.
How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, are used to make flour for baking. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually. There are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world. Most of us are only familiar with the handful that...
Okay, it is night and it is very dark here at Epcot. Holy cow. God, it's such a great shot of Spaceship Earth, isn't it? Although, you know, it makes me wonder, right here with the monorail. No monorails have run to Epcot since March, so I wonder if they really... This thing has been completely dormant since then, or are they running it late at night when there's no one around? You know, just to keep the maintenance going. Alright gang, so within the shadow of Spaceship Earth, I'm going to ask you guys, go ahead, like, subscribe, you know the whole deal. Share it if you want. Thanks for joining me in this cookie hunt as I walked the 2 miles around Epcot. It was fun. Hope you have a safe Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and aloha.